Hi, everybody. I'm going to go over your assignment for today. So this assignment should take you 2 days. So it's for Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. It is required, so you're going to get work habits points for this. So for this activity, you're going to need a hanger, like the kind of hanger that you hang up your clothes on. And then you're going to need paper and pencil. You're going to need to be able to go outside, and you're going to need your senses. And if you have a magnifying glass, great, use it. If you don't worry about it. No big deal, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hanger outside, and you're actually just going to chuck it somewhere where there's greenery. So like not in your driveway, not on your deck or something, but like where there's plants. Um, and then you're going to spend 10-ish minutes just looking really closely to see what's in that little space, and discover the diversity of life that's in your own backyard. Okay. So you're going to record your observations in this box. So if you're just taking regular paper and pen outside with you, I would say just upload your picture to this box. Or if you want to come in later and do some Google drawings in there, however you want to do it. But I think the easiest thing would be to take paper outside and then just put a picture in here. So you're going to list all the biotic and abiotic factors. Okay, so remembering that that means everything that is alive and then also non-alive, like sand and dirt and rocks, things like that. Okay. And if you're having a hard time remembering what biotic and abiotic factors are, look at this video here. It will help remind you. Okay, so that's like day one. Okay, we're doing your observation, getting everything in there. Day two would be scrolling down and doing these questions. Okay, so number one, was there anything in the hanger that you were surprised to find? Number two, you're going to pick 3 things that you drew in your observation yesterday and list the role that they have in the ecosystem, in your backyard ecosystem. And think about the energy pyramid, like where would they fall on that and how might they help other things survive in that ecosystem. And if you are having a hard time remembering what the energy pyramid is, there's a picture of it right here. And if that doesn't jog your memory, you can also look at this picture, this video here. It will explain that again. And then last thing, take a moment to look beyond your hanger. Okay, so looking at your whole backyard, what other plants and animals do you see? What can you smell? What can you hear? Just listing everything that's around you in your own backyard. We're just going to spend some time exploring the science that is right around us all the time that we kind of take for granted and sometimes we don't even think about. Okay, so again, so this is for 2 days, and it's work habits points. And I'm also going to include a video of me doing this so you can see that as well. Okay.